Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to start a brand new file in Calyx Point and save it. So what we're going to do is we're going to reference the starting a file, pulling a credit form that we have in the Dropbox on your desktop. Go into Dropbox, go into the policy and procedure folder, and then you will see a starting a file and pulling credit checklist. If you open that up and print it, it'll give you a step-by-step instructions 1 through 8 how to start a file and save it in Calyx Point. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your Calyx software using the login and password information that you were given. Okay, once you've logged into Calyx, you're going to notice on the left-hand side of the screen, there's going to be a series of tabs: loans, pipeline, tasks, report and marketing, etc. You want to make sure that you're in the loans tab, and then in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you're going to see the new button, and you're going to go ahead and click. This is going to pull up a create new loan file box. You want to ensure that the new blank file is checked, and then you want to go ahead and hit the OK button. Now, typically when you start a file in Calyx, your goal is to pull credit so that you can do a pre-approval to ensure that you have a viable file. There are 5 pieces of information that you need in order to pull credit. You need the borrower's first name, you need their last name, you need their social security number, and you need the borrower's date of birth. In this case, we have 2 borrowers, so I'm going to add first name, last name, social security number, and date of birth. The other piece of information that they need is the present address for the borrowers. Now, when you put the present address for borrower number 1, you can simply click the copy from borrower, and it'll populate the borrower, the co-borrower's present address as well, assuming that they have the same address. So this is the 5 pieces of information that you need in order to pull credit. Now, it is extremely important that you double check the spelling of the borrower's name, their social security number, and also double check their date of birth. Reason being is if you pull credit with incorrect information, it will be caught later on down the process, and we'll have to pull new credit. We'll have to run new findings with the lender, and it could cause a delay to the file. So once you have the borrower's name, social security number, date of birth, and present address in Calyx, you now want to save the file. This is done by clicking on the little disk icon in the top left-hand corner. This is the save icon. Click on the save icon. You want to ensure now that the data folder that you are saving this file to is the leads data folder and not any other data folder. Reason being is when you have a file in the leads data folder, this allows you to have full access to this file and full editing capabilities. So you want to ensure that leads folder is selected. You want to ensure that the borrower button is selected, and you want to ensure that there's a check mark in the use auto file naming box. Go ahead and hit the save button. Give it just a second. And congratulations, you have just started a file in Calyx and saved it.